The most three important dreams that shows that you have a makehla, whether you are a male or a female. Lesedi kgotsong thobela moshate ya le dumedisang ke Ndlondlo Nkgono Nokukhanya igedla mafela hlathini. Modimo a kgotso a nketsetse lona hantle. I would also like to emphasize that this is based on my spiritual knowledge and understanding, also my spiritual experience as a spiritual mentor. So the three most important dreams that shows that you have amakehla. The first dream is writing exams or attending classes. Why do we attend classes? As a person that has amakehla, you do not go to Ugobela and Twasa. What happens is your ancestors take you through a self-initiation process through your dreams, whereby they get to teach you everything through your dreams. Now, this is a part where it's very crucial, where you need to focus, be disciplined, and also memorize what they tell you. So now the first dream that you have to show that you have a makehla, it's dreaming of yourself attending classes or writing exams. That is a sign that shows you that now your ancestors are teaching you. Either they will teach you how to mix herbs, they will teach you how to use herbs, they will teach you how to perform certain rituals, they will also teach you how to read bones. They will give you names of those bones, they will teach you where to get them, and they will also teach you ukulapha abantu. Another dream that is important that shows you that you have a makehla is dreaming of elderly people, especially elderly men. That is a sign that you work with men of the council. Either lomkhulu ohamba naye used to be a chief negotiator, or maybe lomkhulu lo ohamba naye used to be an archbishop, or lomkhulu ohamba naye used to ukuthi ahole amabutho, because automatically a person that has amakehla, they have amabutho. So now, an elderly person represents dignity, empilweni yakho, authority. That is why a lot of females that have amakehla, they have this serious face, or banalis fatlhego sena so kareng ba tshabega, or they are rude people or kind of scary people. Not that they are ugly, not that they are bitter. They just have lesithunzi lesi banalesithunzi lesi esibonakalisayo ukuthi bahamba nomuntu omdala. They are not easy to approach because basuka bahamba nalo muntu omdala. So when you see them, kusuka kuqala kubonakala lo muntu lo ohamba nabo. So now the other dream that shows that you have amakehla, it's when now you are dreaming of yourself being given things such as a spear, a horn, a whistle. A horn and a whistle, it's a sign to summon your spirits. Amabutho, abalozi, manono, abantu basemanzini, abasahlani, abaphezulu, abantu basemhlabeni. That is a sign to summon your spirits wherever they are, so that bakwazi ukuhlangana kule ndawo kuyo, so that bakwazi ukusebenzisana nawe. So, leyo nto leyo, it's a sign that trains you to listen and follow instructions from your guides, to always have them walk with you. Remember, we are different, and abantu bethu also they are different, and they come and teach us in different ways. But having amakehla, it's what tells you that you are in self-initiation process. It is what tells you that your journey needs a mentor, or your journey needs you to focus, to stay disciplined, to listen more, to ask questions, to pasha more, to visit nature places as well. Because when you have amakehla, you need to be a person that is very vigilant. Not entirely that you need to be secretive, but you need to keep most of your things to yourself. Now, the most confusing part about having amakehla is that even if when you have istunya, they would always want to come first. Bafuna ukuthi bahambe phambili because they like to lead. That is why people who have amakehla, whether it's a male or a female, they like to be dominant, they like position, they like power. Sometimes it's not like they like it, it chooses them automatically. When they become involved in unions at work, it chooses them. When they start being in friendships, they become like advisors, they become like abaholi, the people that you can run to when you are in need of help, the people that you can run to when you need advices. So they have that kind of ancient knowledge, they have that kind of a listening skill, They have that kind of wisdom to actually solve problems, not to be biased. Because they have that skill of negotiating, they have that skill of leading the council or the community or the church as well. They have that thing to advise and solve problems as well. So you need to understand that when you have amakhehla, you need to first know ukuthi leli khehla lakho ikhehla lakuphi, litholakala kuphi. Your clothes as well, they symbolize or they tell you ukuthi leli khehla ikhehla elinjani, ikhehla lakuphi. Now, when you dream as well, your dreams will need to lead you. Do you dream of Ihlani kakhulu? Do you dream of the mountain kakhulu? You need to understand ukuthi leli khehla, for you to connect with it, litholakala kuphi. When you have amakhehla, you need, or ikhehla, you need to also understand ukuthi ezinye izinto azivele zenzeke, because there are those people that would sit down and discuss. So you can't just go run to them and say, I need a certain thing, and then they would give you right away. That is why they communicate with you through your dreams, your pace, they check on your character. So you need to check on those things when you have amakhehla, when you have ikhehla, to try and teach yourself to understand certain things as well. Modimo a kgotsong ke tsetse lona.